I used to think that you would be by the time we got to this age. I have 2 daughters and I don't see it at all.
Well, they don't get equal pay, do they? Mainly for women. But yeah, there are reasons, I guess some reasons in terms of they don't have the senior positions that some men have, so there are some structural inequalities.
I think on the whole they are. I think there still are imbalances between men and women in terms of things like salary and things like that.
So nothing major?
Not major differences, I don't think.
I do think that men and women are equal in society because careers and education now are equally available to either.
This is boring.
Because it's getting better now, obviously, than even when I was young.
I think women have come a long way in the UK, but I think on a global scale, we need to change the world to make sure that women get fair access to education and healthcare. But yeah, I think there's a long way to go.
I really like Sigourney Weaver playing her role in all the Alien films because she's really tough and she's not scared and she kicks.
So are there any women that you particularly like?
I think female politicians, maybe like Shirley Williams is one of my favourite. I think people who stand up for their beliefs and also progress for women.
Anyone that springs to mind?
No, there's not. It's not that.
Men are seeming to be looked at in more of what they've achieved in life as opposed to their bra size, really.
I think the women I find most inspiring are the women that are comfortable with who they are.
I suppose they should be more looking up to women like J.K. Rowling as opposed to someone like Cheryl Cole.
Yeah.
Would be a good person to look up to, I think.
I'd suggest rather than looking for famous people or people who would receive media coverage, I'd suggest looking close to home.
My mum is one of the most influential people in my life. She's at the peak of her career. She has 2 daughters just about to fly the nest, and recently she's had to completely recreate and rebuild her lifestyle. The way that she's coped with the past year amazes me every single day, and the way that she's managed to stay positive throughout most of the time and throw herself into new things head on, only thinking later, has really inspired me to never forget what makes me who I am, and also to strive to be there for people around me no matter what's going on in my life. If I turn out to be half the person that she is, I'll be happy.
I'd say my mother was inspirational to me. She's an amazing woman. When I was 8 years old, she made the decision to split up with my dad, and she didn't do it for her, she did it for me and my brother. And it was definitely a factor in us becoming reasonably successful in what we've done so far. Like, we're both enjoying our lives, we're both happy people.
I would like to think that the future for women in society would be more equal the world over.
Society couldn't function without them.
So we've got a value difference, really.
Right, come on. Do you think that men and women are equal in society?
No, stop.
Do you think that men and women are equal in society?
I'll be